If you want to have multiple app windows open on your Android phone, it's actually pretty easy. First, you're going to tap the little app switcher button, or if you're using the gesture-based navigation, you'll swipe up from the bottom and stop about halfway up. That will bring up the app switcher, and here we'll choose the first app that we want to use side by side with another app. Pick the app, and then you'll tap the icon on the top of the window and choose Open in Split Screen View. This will open the app in a layout where it covers half of your screen, and then you can choose the other app you want to use simultaneously. And that's basically it. You can repeat this for other apps to set up multiple app pairs like this. If you have auto rotation enabled on your phone, the apps will rotate when you turn your phone, and if you want to change the order off the windows, you can tap those three little dots between the apps, and then use the up and down arrows to switch the order of the apps. If you go back to the app switcher, you'll see how those two apps are here paired together, and you can swipe up to close them if you want to return back to the normal view. Another way to use two windows at the same time is to use the floating window option. And to do that, you'll go to the app switcher again, and then tap the app icon and choose Open in Pop-up View. This will put the app in a little floating window that stays on the top, while you can use the rest of the phone normally in the background. The floating window can be moved around and resized, so I could, for example, have a video playing on the top while I'm texting with my friend in the background. And that's how you use multiple app windows on Android. Click that like button if this helped, subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in another video.